Hi guys, AR Malik here. Don't use your Gmail account. Do this before using your Gmail account. Change all these security settings before using your Gmail account. We receive many spam Gmails on daily basis. The scammers can hack your Gmail due to weak password and theft your data or misuse your data. Go to Gmail application, then click on top right corner on this icon. Click on Google account. Now scroll left and click on security option. Click here. Now you have to scroll down and find an option of password. First of all, you have to go to your password. Click here. Now use your password. First of all, use an uppercase letter, then use lowercase letters. Use special characters, then use some figures. In this method, you can create a strong password. Your strong password has been created. Now go to two-step verification. Click here and then click on this option, add phone number. When you click on this add phone number, you have to select a phone number. First of all, select a country. Then you have to add a number. When you add this number, then this way your two-step verification will be turned on. Now scroll down and find an option of your device login. Here you can check how many devices have been logged in on your Gmail account. Click here. There is all the data how many devices are logged in on your Gmail account. I have checked. Here you can see this is my own mobile. If someone else are using my accounts, then it shows. You have to simply click on sign out and any other device will be logged out. Now you have an option of your connection to third-party apps and services. Click here. Here you can see how many third-party apps are being used on your Gmail. Click on delete all connections that you have within. You have to click on this confirm. Here you can see your all third-party connections are deleted. With this security settings, you can secure your Gmail password and no scammer can hack your Gmail account or secure your data might be secure. Thanks for watching.